Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. So you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. So first of all, there is this is two methods process, and in the first method we need to go to search bar, type here task manager, then open it. Once we are here, we need to find out the Windows Explorer. Simply right click on it and click on restart. And once you do this, we need to wait for some time, around 30 seconds to 1 minute, to refresh everything on your desktop. Once done, we need to go to the, we also find out the mini search host in the here. So we need to find out it. For example, this is mini search host. Simply right click on it and click on end task. So find out mini search host service or host. So simply find out here and right click on it and simply end task. Then restart your system and problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be a better way to fix this issue. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.